Hi guys, this is Larrissa with Be You Beautiful One. Welcome to my channel. I am so glad that you are here. Well guys, I am excited to set up my HOBONICHI weeks for the week of May 18th through the 24th. And I will be utilizing my Planner Anonymous kit. Once again, this is from the subscription box Rainy Days. I did an unboxing of this particular box, and I will link that description down below and possibly in one of those card thingies above. But I absolutely love these sticker sheets. They are wonderful. And if you ever decide to sign up for Planner Anonymous, I do have a link down below so that you can save a percentage on your first purchase. I always recommend that you not just get the standard kit, but also get the additional sticker kit because it adds about 15 more pages of stickers to your kit for a very reasonable price. And I've already used this kit once before, and I still have plenty left. And these are the washi tapes that came with the box. This washi tape has a row of houses with gold foil raindrops, and then we have the floral washi with foil raindrops as well. They're both beautiful. And then here is the raindrop washi tape that I used as a tracker in one of my previous planners. And then I decided to go ahead and pull the Simply Gilded washi tape. I thought it would be a nice complementary washi tape to the kit. And on hand, I have these beautiful clouds. They have a different foil on there, but I don't care. You guys know me. I will mix the foil, child. So let's go ahead and see how this all comes together. The reason why I'm using this particular kit is because it is raining a lot in my area, almost on a day-to-day basis, especially in the evening. It's like clockwork. In the evening, it begins to rain. Through the night, it rains. Early in the morning, it's raining. Then, like midday, it's pretty calm, but it's still like cloudy and gloomy. And so I thought it would be awesome to use this kit because I have so many stickers to still utilize, and washi tape and papers. And so I want to make for sure that I'm using all of the great kits that I have purchased. Just to let you know, this is an international company, and so they do ship from Australia, and the shipment, of course, is impacted by what is currently going on worldwide. And so just to let you know, there is not only just the international delay component, but the delay in shipment period due to the pandemic. So that's just an FYI. But I absolutely love this washi tape that I am using. The one that I put at the bottom is the washi tape with the row of houses and the gold foil raindrops. I love it. And then I decided to go ahead and utilize the Simply Gilded washi tape. It's a 5 millimeter washi tape, I believe. So it's perfect for covering up the dates that comes with the HOBONICHI Weeks calendar, as well as dividing and separating the days of the week. So I love it, and it has the gold foil as well. And then at the top there, I decided to use the floral washi tape that has the gold foil droplets as well. Now, what I decided to do is utilize the date covers from the subscription kit, and it is a wider sticker, so I just lined up the days of the week, and then I just cut off the edges. So I like how it turned out, and then the little date dots worked perfect for this. And so I have fun with putting those on the day cover stickers. So yeah. And I decided to use this cute doll, you guys. She is dancing in the rain puddles. And that quote sticker says, learn to dance in the rain. I love that because sometimes when it rains, it pours. And it's just all really perspective. And so if you try to take something that was a negative or traumatic experience and find something to reflect upon and make it a better situation, it really helps. It's harder, to do than said, but it sure is worth a try. I'm telling you that. And then I love the rainbow and the sunshine, because when it rains and it pours, there's usually a rainbow and the sun does come back out. I love these little mini stickers with a variety of activities, a working mini, a mini that is looking at her planner, a mini that has an umbrella, a mini that is playing in the puddles, a peekaboo mini. I love the little sticker that says jump in the puddles next to the doll on the right hand side, and it's like a checklist there. And then at the top it says rainy day ideas. How fun is that, with the droplets as a checklist kind of thing? I absolutely love that, with the planner card, the laptop, the tote bag, and the coffee. I mean, this screams planner babe, right? And so I absolutely love how the spread turned out. I hope that you enjoyed it too. And if you got those rainy day stickers, pull them out too. So here is a final look at my spread for the week of the 18th. And I absolutely love all the elements. The galoshes are just adorable in this kit. And it was just a fun layout to put together. So I hope you enjoy this. I hope you found some inspiration. I hope that you will continue to actively sticker your planners, even though you may not have a lot to do. There's always something to keep track of. So thank you for joining me. Please do not forget to like, subscribe, and turn on your notification bell. That way, whenever I go live or post new videos, you'll be notified. Thank you, and until the next time, bye.